Hey guys, how you guys doing? I have this little sewing machine here with the carrying case and the trays that I would like to sell. I'm going to show you a little bit how it works so you could have an idea that it works beautiful and it's very light. That's why they call it the Featherweight, Singer Featherweight Model 221. That's the foot pedal that you step on it to make the machine go. So, here we go. Step on the pedal. The presser foot, raise it, turn the material around, and put the presser foot down. The switch for the light. The machine goes inside the carrying case and the tray on top, and this closes. The latch locks it up. One latch is broke. Thank you for watching the video, and there is the sewing machine again. Beautiful shape, nice and clean. All for $350. Thank you.